Hello everyone, I am from MSN Battery. Our company located in Guangdong Province, Jingmen City. MSN Battery was founded in 1997, covers two production bases of 80,000 square meters and with 400 employees including 30 professional civil engineers. After more than 27 years of growth, MSN Battery has developed to be one of the largest lithium iron phosphate battery and lead-acid battery manufacturer, combining smelting raw materials, producing lithium for sale and producing finished batteries in China. We are making lithium batteries, gel batteries and lead-acid batteries. First of all, I'm going to show you how we're making the lithium batteries in our production line. So here is from the start of the process of making lithium batteries. First, we're testing the cell's quality and matching the voltage of every cell. As you can see, we install the heavy machinery to test our cells very carefully. And after the testing of our cells, we make sure every cell quality. And then, after we have a latest technology to weld our cells. And after welding our cells, we install VRLA and we transfer the battery to our finished product. And you can see our professional staff doing this whole process very carefully and check our battery, every battery very carefully to make sure to maintain our company products quality. And that's why we're giving our customers the warranty of 5 years up to 15 years. And after the finishing of our product, we have a new technology of charging and discharging of every lithium battery. And this is the process of welding our own cells to making the whole lithium battery. And it's a new technology and laser welding. So now I'm going to show you our lithium battery storage. After finishing our products and finishing all the orders from our customer side, we put our all products in our storage. And after packing of our all products, we arranging the container for our customer to deliver the goods for the customer final destination. So now after showing you our storage, now I'm going to show you our gel battery and lead acid battery production line. So here it is, our gel battery and lead acid battery production line. Our gel battery, long cycle life and deep cycle performance, wide working and storage temperature, and low self-discharge. And our lead acid solar battery with mature technology, stable performance and strong applicability. Up to 2000 times of cycle life, high cost performance, easy to install and use. No flammability and good safety. And we have lead acid small capacity battery also. So as you can use in UPS, LED light, emergency lights, toys, generators and CCTV cameras. And we have telecom front terminal battery, mature technology, stable performance and strong applicability. And here we testing our every battery and the process of charging and discharging and maintain our all batteries quality in our production line first to make sure the customer will our all any battery. And here you can see after finishing of our battery, we clean our all batteries and make sure the best quality given to our all customers. And we have a very professional staff of our all production lines. So after showing you our all production lines, now I'm going to show you our main head office and how we our professional staff. So here is the final look. So as you can see, it's our main head office of our company. And here it is our professional staff working. And here we have all products showing to the customers and explaining of every product to the customers. We have small to big lithium battery setup. And we have commercial all-in-one energy storage system, our wall life P4 battery in lithium, black mount battery, stack battery, and we have portable power stations also with the power of 300 watts to 2500 watts. So if you have any questions and any orders related to our products, so you can contact us on our available platforms. Goodbye, take care.